Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Command economies are tricky, but we will master them now. Let's see how resources are managed when the state takes total control. First, we must define a pure command economy as a system where the government, rather than individual buyers and sellers, makes the fundamental choices about what goods are actually produced. Next, we identify the central authority's role in the setup. In this model, private ownership and price signals are replaced by top-down directives that dictate exactly how resources are used. Finally, we select the option where the government makes major decisions. This matches our definition, making option B the only logical final answer. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of private control and trust given definitions to avoid a rush.